Hello, and thanks for watching this video into practice management. We're looking at the timer. How do you use the timer? Most of you guys are going to be using the timer timesheet, if you will, to start and stop as you get calls, things like that. So when I go to the admin tab, general settings, timesheet and expense settings, right? It defaults to grid simple one, which is just going to be client name, work code, and then you have your grid for the days. The hours you can add and notes. You might do simple and timer or simple engagement timer if you want to track your work code to the engagement plus the timer. Most people are probably doing 2 or 4. Don't know about many using the spreadsheet ones, but it's really up to you. All right, try them all out. There's 7 to choose from, so it won't take too much time to find the one you like the best. But I'm going to choose grid 2, simple and timer, and click save. And then I'm going to go to the dashboard because that's where the timesheet is. You'll notice I have this timer here. So I can choose my particular client and the work code. In this case, I'm doing some bookkeeping. And you have to tab into the field for the hours and you click Start Timer up here. And it's going to put a 0.00 there. You'll have the two decimals, and then you'll have this little icon to the right so you can see when it was started. Right? And my settings are that which are for tenth of an hour. So by the time I wait till then, this video will be long over. But basically what you'll do is you'll just let it run. You'll be on the phone with a client or you're working on the tax return, or in this case, it's some bookkeeping. Maybe I'm using client data review to clean up the books, etc. And let's say a half hour has passed. You would just, again, highlight it and notice the tab changes to stop timer, excuse me. And then you would just click stop timer, and for whatever time, it would, uh, deduce it to the tenth of an hour, right? Closest tenth of an hour. And then when someone else calls in, you could also, start the timer for them. So I have that one going, and then Thomas calls in, and there's this time there's some type of planning involved, and also I can start the timer for him. So you can have all these set up, and just make sure you click into the field to stop them when it's time is done. And I hope that's helpful. And have a great day.